didn't take long for Morton County jurors to find Chad Isaac guilty of all charges, including 4 murders, once they returned for deliberations this morning.
We have team coverage tonight with reaction to the verdict. Jacob Noterman talked with the staff at RJR Maintenance and Management, and Erica Craven is at the Morton County Courthouse. Let's begin with Erica, who talked with attorneys on both sides. Erica?
After 2 years, the state and defense attorneys prepared for this trial by presenting evidence and calling witnesses to testify. Now we've finally heard the outcome: guilty.
A lot of times I'm like, why would anybody do that?
Prosecutors say they were relieved to hear the verdict come back guilty on all counts.
We took some time with the victims' families. And I think that they're feeling the same way. It hasn't been an easy road. It's been 2.5 years, but it's been a steady one for us. And I think that today the verdict just validated the thoroughness of the investigation and the whole process that we've tried to go through from start to finish.
When we spoke with defense attorneys, they kept their thoughts on the outcome of the trial to themselves.
A fair trial by an unbiased jury is the greatest device ever conceived for an individual citizen to hold his or her government accountable to the constitutional promises made to all of us. And in this case, we've done our best to zealously advocate for our client.
The conviction came without the state posing a motive.
And so that's, I think, where people struggle too, because they want to know why, but it's still, I think it's something that you can't say this necessarily caused that, because there is no necessarily in this case. It wasn't a case of self-defense. It wasn't a case of an argument gone wrong. It was premeditated murder, and there's no excuse for that.
At the verdict, Judge David Reich ordered a pre-sentencing investigation, which will include victim impact statements and allow the court a deeper look into Isaac's life.
Like all of us, he's lived a full life. There's a story to tell there, Now that story is not, it doesn't play a prominent role. It didn't play a prominent role in this case, but it's absolutely plays a prominent role in sentencing.
There's no word yet on whether Isaac will seek to appeal the case, but the defense attorneys say they will meet with Isaac next week to discuss his options under the law. A sentencing hearing will be scheduled after the pre-sentencing investigation is complete. Isaac could face life in prison without parole. At Morton County Courthouse, Erica Craven reporting for your news leader.